Assalamu alaikum and welcome to current tutorials. Okay, in this section we will discuss how to use is, am, are, has, have and had properly. So let's start with the is, am, are. We use is, am, are for present activity only. Like as I am a doctor, he is a student, they are working. Has, have is used for in possession. In possession, like as I have a car. He has so many friends. Had used had a possession, like you had a possession in the past. We had homework last night. I wish I had been with you. And the last one can be he had to go home. So that's all for the day. Please do subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.